OnePlus' new phone is expected to be called the OnePlus Z. It will see OnePlus go back to its roots and deliver an affordable product offering. OnePlus' rumored mid-range device, the OnePlus Z, is proving to be a badly kept secret. The new disruptive product has been leaked a number of times, with the company even hinting at its existence, when OnePlus CEO, Pete Lau, revealed that the company is working on an affordable smartphone that could first be introduced in India. Expected to be called the OnePlus Z, this new product will see OnePlus go back to its roots and deliver an affordable product offering. While Lau hasn't revealed the name of the device yet, he did say that the new affordable device is coming soon and that there will be an announcement soon for India. Interestingly, the OnePlus Z is expected to be an all-new category of smartphones for OnePlus, with a company rumored to equip it with a fast mid-range processor and start its retail at an affordable mid-range price point. And now, we have more information on the device, with the latest listing claiming to have revealed all the key information, as well as the launch date of the device. For the latter, the report claims that the OnePlus Z smartphone could make its debut during the second week of July. The company tentatively plans to launch the device between July 6th to 12th. However, this could change depending on the prevailing market conditions. The phone has been tipped to be made black, white, blue and some special colors. The phone had recently been listed on Geekbench, which again hinted at OnePlus going with the Snapdragon 765G SoC instead of a MediaTek SoC for the device. This could be paired with Oxygenos 10 operating system based on Android 10. The display on the phone is tipped to be AMOLED in nature, with a screen size of 6.4-6.5 inches running at a refresh rate of 90 Hz. Under the hood, the phone is expected to be made available two variants, with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM and storage of 128GB or 256GB. Keeping the lights on could be a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery with support for fast 30-watt recharge via the USB Type-C port. For cameras, the OnePlus Z is tipped to feature a triple rear camera setup with a 48-megapixel, a 12-megapixel and a 13-megapixel sensor, as well as a laser autofocus system. At the front, there is said to be a 16-megapixel lens. However, it's worth noting that this new leak comes without any real mentioned source, and as such it could really amount to nothing when the phone finally launches. As such, it would be better to take this information with a pinch of salt.
I don't get no fuss today. Gas pack strong, we rolling all the way. I don't wanna fall in love, but I'ma try it. Baby, if I fuck her, let me start her from the pilot. Let's play games, no rules. We wildin', sun-kissed angels, shawty vibing. If I said I loved you, would you think that I was lying? I ain't playing games, I'm trying to take you to an island. You been on my mind, I wonder why you ain't beside me. Swerving, switching lanes, I had to get her off me. Came in from the sadness, broken heart, I found my way around it. We can get away, let's go today and leave up in the mountains. Shit ain't been the same, don't go today and leave a nigga drowning, yeah. I just wanna drop top, cool, them stars don't shine like you. Love scars don't yield, they bruise. I don't give a fuck. Pour another drink, I think this shit is filling up, yeah. I got what you need, but tell me, is it all enough, baby? Tell me what am I sometimes, I feel like I'm drugged like a dime sometimes. No juice, world lucid in my mind sometimes. Feeling stupid, loving you is like a crime sometimes, yeah. I be caught up in my mind, I be caught up in my mind, I be caught up in my mind. But I don't get no fuss today. Gas pack strong, we rolling all the way. I don't wanna fall in love, but I'ma try it. Baby, if I fuck her, let me start her from the pilot. Let's play games, no rules. We wildin', sun-kissed angels, shawty vibing. If I said I loved you, would you think that I was lying? I ain't playing games, I'm trying to take you to an island. You been on my mind, I wonder why you ain't beside me. Rise up on me, bitches wanna lean. We smoking loud, you can hear my shit so stink. She's a sun-kissed angel, we vibing. Get that money, we thriving. Ain't no all that talking, throwing hands like money made. If I line a nigga up, then Rory coming with a fade. Fade don't lost so many niggas, RIP up on a grave. 333 up on my wrist, I find my demons every day. Like what you know about it, nigga, what you know? Even when I'm high, nigga, always feeling low. I done been through hell and back, I swear I've seen it all before. I remember all them nights when I ain't wanna live no more. Oh. She said, I'm falling out the deep end, I'm drowning. Shawty, you're my weakness. Two broken hearts, but we'll get around. But I don't get no fucks today. Gas pack strong, we rolling all the way. I don't wanna fall in love, but I'ma try it. Baby, if I fuck her, let me start it from the pilot. Let's play games, no rules, we wildin'. Sun-kissed angel, shawty vibin'. If I said I loved you, would you think that I was lying? I ain't playing games, I'm trying to take you to an island. You been on my mind, I wonder why you ain't beside me.